The 2025 Honda City is here with an updated design, enhanced features, and improved performance, making it a strong contender in the compact sedan segment. Honda has refined the exterior with a sleeker front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic shape. The car now looks sportier with new alloy wheels and redesigned bumpers that give it a more dynamic appeal. The rear has also been updated with stylish LED taillights and a subtle spoiler, adding to its premium feel. Inside, the 2025 Honda City offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The dashboard has been upgraded with a larger touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, and the new ambient lighting enhances the overall cabin experience. The seats are well cushioned, providing great support for long drives, and the rear seats offer ample legroom, making it a great choice for families and daily commuters. The dual-zone climate control, rear AC vents, and a sunroof add to the comfort and convenience. Under the hood, the new Honda City comes with both petrol and hybrid powertrain options. The 1.5 Li VTEC petrol engine delivers a balance of power and efficiency, while the hybrid variant offers improved fuel economy and lower emissions. The car is available with a 6-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. Honda has also worked on reducing cabin noise and improving ride quality, making the driving experience more refined. The suspension setup provides a good balance between comfort and handling, making city driving and highway cruising effortless. When it comes to features, the 2025 Honda City is loaded with modern technology and safety systems. The Honda Sensing Suite now includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The car also comes with a 360-degree camera, parking sensors, and 6 airbags, ensuring maximum safety for passengers. The infotainment system now supports over-the-air updates, and the car comes with connected car technology, allowing owners to control various functions remotely through a smartphone app. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong point of the Honda City, and the 2025 model continues that legacy. The petrol variant offers impressive mileage, while the hybrid version takes efficiency to the next level with its regenerative braking system and electric motor assistance. The improved aerodynamics and lightweight construction further contribute to better fuel economy. For those looking for a stylish, feature-packed, and fuel-efficient sedan, the 2025 Honda City is a great option. With its updated design, premium interiors, advanced technology, and strong safety features, it continues to be a top choice in its segment. The car is expected to be competitively priced, making it an attractive option for buyers looking for a reliable and modern sedan. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest cars and automotive news. The 2025 Honda City is here with an updated design, enhanced features, and improved performance, making it a strong contender in the compact sedan segment. Honda has refined the exterior with a sleeker front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a